We successfully prevented a live theft attempt. The individual tried to take a drink from the cooler and conceal it in his pocket, assuming he was unnoticed. However, our surveillance team continuously monitors every customer. As soon as the theft was detected, an alarm was triggered through the installed alarm-enabled cameras. Realizing he had been spotted, the individual returned the item to the cooler. The store staff was also alerted and responded immediately. The suspect then left the store without the item. Need live surveillance camera monitoring? Contact us today. Get a 3-day free trial. Continue only if satisfied.